Organizer wants to have it in south. The people don't want. If people come and block the roads when the sunburn is going to happen, on the day of sunburn, it is going to be a disaster for the government also and the tourism also of the state. So tourism is a backbone of our state, the economy. Economically, it is our backbone, so it cannot suffer a setback. Always sunburn used to happen in North Goa.
But you are ready to take it
Let
from
the
south?
organizer decide where he wants. He gets the NOC of the land. As a coastal belt MLA, my support will always be there for a clean sunburn. Again, I am very specifically telling for a clean sunburn. Whatever are the rules and regulations, they need to follow. Chalo ano. Only if there is a visual violation, the tourists are being stopped. आमच्या एरियन जरी आयन पळयलां की विजिबल वायलेशन जाल्यार स्टॉप करता तेंगा नाल्यार आतां आदी खंय स्टॉप करताले थंय करिना. टुरिस्ट दे आर कमिंग हियर to spend 3 days, 4 days in the state of Goa. They giving us revenue for the state exchequer in way of GST, and all the stakeholders who are in the industry are earning on this, and people are working over there, our local people.